hard at me. I'm gonna back out a little bit. Oh, he's wide. He's very wide.
Got it.
Does he have the bounty? That's the question.
I don't have eyes on him.
He's a vested white. Oh, yeah, he's going super wide. I'm backing out. Which one? Vest? Okay, copy. That's a good kill. He was the guy I was worried flanking me. I'm still staring at the back of the boat where the two are.
Yeah, I ain't seen shit. Gonna try to get up on the fucking little islands.
Oh, that's. I think you. Honestly, I would stay where you are. We need you on that shot.
Yeah, you're right.
Because you're covering the whole front end of the extraction. Oh, they just picked.
Yep, I'm fucking.
Who's that? Is that the third team?
Maybe. I don't recall that name. Either that or an unknown.
Well, there's two. There should be. Oh, the blue shirted guy the third guy. He has it that I couldn't see. So he I think he's in front. I think that was your shot. I think.
I don't see anyone up front.
Well, probably not now, but where the fuck did that go? Oh, yeah, the one probably at Raynard, that might be one. Unless it's one of the three on the boat.
I don't think it's one of the three on the boat, honestly. Did you hear any shots at Raynard?
Yes, I don't. What's that?